Welcome to APAC Braid Academy. In today's lesson, we're going to learn fishbone braids. Fishbone braids create a woven appearance by adding in small sections within the braid itself. Let's begin. First, you want to begin with a clean section. Okay, let's go ahead and begin with our clean section of hair. I want you to grab your braiding hair about this much here, and then I want you to go ahead and take a small piece, just like this. Remember, bring the small under the big, just like I taught you in our previous section, just like this. Okay, so it should look just like this. As you braid, you want to gather small amounts of hair from each side. Okay, let's begin. This one I want you to really take your time. So first you're going to start braiding as you normally would. Okay, braid as you normally would. And I want you to do at least one cycle of the braid, okay? The smallest piece, I want you to go ahead and just split it in two. Okay? Now from this side of the braid, I want you to take a small section, okay? Now pay attention to what I'm going to do. You're going to hold it just like this, take that small section that you separated, bring it through the middle and under the other side of the braid. Okay? It's not going to look like it at first. Then I want you to take that same strand and bring it back over and then under. Just like that, okay? Take that same small strand, bring it through the middle, under the other side, and then over. And then through the middle again, and then under. Okay? Then I want you to go over, under, over, okay, under, over, there we go, under. Now you got the technique, there we go. So it's going to start looking just like a fishbone. Over, under, just like that. Over, that same strand, over, under, over. And then once this is very detailed, this will take you quite a bit of time, okay? For this, you want to definitely take your time. Just like this. You see, there's your fishbone. And if that piece of hair gets small, then all you have to do is borrow from the outside hair. But you keep the same technique. Over, under, over, just like that, under. This is your fishbone. So, do you see here? That is your fishbone. That is a fishbone braid, okay? Just like that. If yours looked like that, then you did an awesome job. Remember, we can always continue to practice. But this is your fishbone braid. In our next couple sessions, we're going to practice this again and even do it with the cornrow, okay? Remember, consistency is key with the fishbone pattern. Just keep practicing, you'll get it. All you have to do is rewatch the video and just practice some more. You will definitely be a pro at it once you practice more and more. Well, that wraps up today's lesson. Continue on by practicing at home. I'll see you at the next lesson in APAC Braid Academy.